Good afternoon, Keller Williams Realty Boise. This is Cindy, and I'm coming to you this week with the Keeping You in the Loop video. I wanted to talk to you today about some new things that Keller Williams has launched for you. You may have seen on the closed Facebook page that Stacy, Laura, and a few of our agents were invited to meet with Gary Keller for a lab. And the purpose of that was to really just talk about K2B Command. That's already a platform that's in place, and its overall infrastructure includes Kelly, which is the artificial intelligence, the K2B referral network, and K2B Connect. There are going to be other parts of this rolling out over the next 12 to 18 months, so as they get everything in place, we'll be hearing about those through email, through K2B Connect, and some other sources. What we want to make sure is that you know about two of those things that have already been put in place. The first one is Kelly. So take out your cell phone and download the app. And Kelly is spelled K-E-L-L-E. And this is like your Siri in relation to your business. One thing to remember about Kelly is she's new, and she's like a 2-year-old who is still learning. So keep asking her questions. The smarter she gets, the more valuable it'll be. Honestly, I've been kind of playing around with this app, and she's already answered all of my questions. So eventually she'll be able to track your CGI. She's actually done that for me. I asked her some questions. I asked her about Family Reunion 2019. She gave me the answer to that. So get that downloaded and start using that, because that's a really powerful tool for all of you. The other one is the referral network. So I have the screen pulled up here, and when you go into your K2B Connect account, you'll see at the top of the screen, there's the Ask Kelly, so you can learn a little bit about that. And then you also see the My Referrals network. So you're going to click on that, and that's going to take you into your referral network. And you'll see a screen like this. Some of you probably have been getting some invitations from other agents to join their referral network. So make sure you accept those. You also want to make sure you're adding people that are already in your network. The days of asking Stacy and on the closed Facebook page or asking Liz for anyone, a referral agent in another area, they're gone. You no longer have to do that. You can do all of this yourself. That's what this is for. So what you're going to do is click on Grow My Network, and it's going to pull up a map. So you're going to basically just look at the area where you need the referral for. Let's say we'll go to North Carolina here. We'll go to, let's say, Fayetteville. So here's the Fayetteville Market Center. We've got the agents listed here in that Market Center. You can see closed units, listings sold, buy sides. When you go up here to sort, you can actually sort by closed units, listings sold, buy sides, leases. So you can search for agents who are doing like top sales in that market center. So how easy is that? It's really cool. Then you guys can just add them to your network. So you can see up here as well, you can search it. So make sure you guys are implementing the network, the referral network, get that going right away. Make sure you are downloading Kelly and start to use her. And then just add those people that you already have in your referral network to this. There is going to be a webinar next Thursday regarding the K2B referral. It's on the closed Facebook page. All the information's there, so check that out. And this is your weekly Keeping You in the Loop video. Have a great day, everyone.